Hello and welcome back again to my channel. For today's video, we are going to talk about the Professor Cat meme coin, guys. But before that, let me remind you that this is not a financial advice. This is for entertainment only. So always do your own research before doing anything else because crypto has a risk. So without further ado, guys, let's get into it. And guys, before we get started, I would like you to invite to their social, Telegram, Twitter, and Discord channel, guys, because they're launching with 2 million PCC token airdrops for free. Just like and follow to their social, like this one, follow and then comment to any post on their social, guys. Okay? To have a chance to win that airdrop. Okay? So, this is their token, guys. So welcome to Professor Cat, the smartest meme coin in crypto. So join the pre-sale now. You can use your Sol, USDT, USDC, guys. Okay, like this one. You can connect your wallet, Phantom, Solflare, Backpack, Trust Wallet, Coinbase, Glow, Exodus, and Coin98, guys. Okay, so this is the Professor Cat. Join the revolution where intelligence meets memes. Don't miss your chance at the next 100 times opportunity, guys. Okay, so launch countdown. Okay, so price will be increased every 13 days. So right now the remaining is 36 days, 8 hours and 53 minutes, guys. Okay, the pre-sale progress has a help us reach our 1 million goal. Right now it has a 1.741,000 raise USDC, guys. Okay, so buy Professor Cat coin and meet the Professor Cat. Professor Cat is the next big meme coin designed to overtake Pip and Shiba Inu with its charming cat mascot and revolutionary community. PCC combines humor with serious gains. Join the crypto universe where memes meet and fun meets fortune, guys. Revolutionary, breaking barriers with innovative tokenomics and explosive growth potential. They have a market leader positioned to dominate with superior community and viral potential. Community first, built by holders for holders. Join 1,000 on this epic journey, guys. Massive reach, secure and safe, and also high rewards, early adopter benefits, and stake rewards for maximum gains. It also has a expanding to more DEX. This coin will be launching on one more decentralized exchanges soon, guys. Okay? Stay tuned for listing on major platform to increase liquidity and accessibility for the entire community, guys. Are you ready for the lift off? Professor Cat coin will be launching on centralized exchange or CX, guys. Coming soon on Professor Cat has not launched but will launch soon on pre-sale. Long-term vision, more coming, and Radium launch. This coin will be launching on the Radium platform first, guys. Okay, so be among the first join the Professor Cat revolution. Support our mission. Help us grow the Professor Cat coin ecosystem. Every donation makes a difference. You can make a donation up to 4 USD, guys. 14 Sol, 142, 1 USDC, guys. Okay, any amount will do. You can join here on their Twitter, Telegram, and Discord channel, guys. The tokenomics transparent distribution of funds ensure long-term success as a marketing of 40%, development 26%, liquidity 20%, devs is 14%. So Professor Cat coin, the next big meme coin revolution. About info, pre-sale, community is all on their website, guys. Okay, so the risk warning cryptocurrency investment are highly speculative and volatile, guys. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Okay, so to the moon, guys. Let's go back here. You can see also the white paper here and terms and condition, guys. Okay, abstract, vision and mission, profession, cat story, tokenomics, all are here at the white paper, guys. Okay, guys, some videos about this Professor Cats. Okay, so we have Professor Cat here and next big meme coin. Okay, guys, I think that's all about for this meme coin, guys. And if you have more questions, please subscribe to my channel and comment down below. So again, this is Jane for all. Happy New Year, guys, and welcome to my channel. So again, this is Hussein. Bye bye.